Hi everyone, welcome to Master Astrologer YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Venus in the 7th house relationship secrets. Have you ever fallen in love and felt like you have known that person forever? Like the connection was written in the stars? If you have Venus in the 7th house, that is no coincidence. We are exploring Venus in the 7th house, the cosmic placement that defines how you love, who you attract, and what kind of soulmate your heart truly longs for. This is not just astrology, it is your emotional blueprint. So, grab a cup of tea, maybe light a candle, and let's talk about destiny, love, and the beauty of divine partnership. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a woman who always found herself in romantic relationships that felt like fairy tales at first, only to crumble when she lost herself trying to keep the peace. She later found out her Venus was in the 7th house. That moment, it changed everything. Because this placement is about balance, reflection, and learning to love without losing yourself. If you have experienced intense relationship that mirrored your deepest desires and fears, this video is for you. Venus in the 7th house means the 7th house is the house of committed partnerships, marriage, and the other. Venus here wants connection more than anything: love, harmony, beauty, and shared experiences. You attract love like a magnet, but also have to learn deep lessons about boundaries and self-worth. One relationship traits. You are romantic, diplomatic, and often put your partner's needs first. You seek a partner who is elegant, artistic, and values emotional and physical harmony. Relationships define your identity, both a gift and a challenge. So Venus in the 7th house gives ideal partner. Someone balanced and refined, charming, possibly a Libra or Taurus influence, magnetic attraction, emotionally intelligent, values fairness and peace. So also you could meet them through social settings, art or beauty or even legal settings because Venus rules justice. The 7th house gives perfect partner. Here's the thing, Venus in the 7th can sometimes lose itself in love. You give and give and give and then wonder, where did I go? This placement teaches you to love deeply without abandoning yourself. To choose someone who reflects your beauty, not someone who drains it. If this resonates, if you have felt that magnetic pull to love and the heartbreak that sometimes follows, you are not the alone. Venus in the 7th house is a gift. When you learn how to wield it, drop a love in the comments if this touched your heart. Tell me what is one lesson love has taught to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear these words. Because love, real love, starts when we see ourselves clearly and invite someone to do the same. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.